Hey, buddy. He just went under us. Let's go, Poncho. Here he is, right behind us. Come on, buddy. Come on. Holy shit. Come on, buddy. He's going slow. No, that's a little one. Poncho's like 3 or 4 times the size of that thing. Who wants him? Who wants him? Who wants him? Who wants him? Who wants him?
He'll come though. Puncher won't give you the fish. It's that damn sea lion.
Yeah. Come here, buddy. Look what I got for you. Look what I got for you, dude. Look what I got for you. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. You big dog.
Did you give him one?
I didn't get any underwater of him, though.